Hello everyone, now I'm back with my little Nissan E-NV200 Evalia, and I have my storage and bed books here, but now I have a test today with a solar panel on the roof. I have not fastened yet, but I have a test today. Maybe it be where I place it. Oh, to this and this, I think I do something to fasten it. 100 watt, and here I have my fridge, the solar panel will power this fridge without a problem, I think. Here you see a little more of my storage and bed books. And if I go to this side, I have a little solar controller, very cheap but working, and a few books. I have a big, so I can add more when I need. So I will look on voltage and see how much the solar panel give now. And if you see, it's not sunny. So little interesting to see. Not so bad. That's really good, I think. But I don't know how much voltage I can get with this weather. Not sunny. I guess I get little more if I have a MPPT controller, but the battery is 12.6 now, and the solar panel give almost the same. So that's interesting. And I don't hear the fridge, but it's go on and off and on and off. I look. It's cold. So now I will shut this down and take the solar panel off the roof. And I think how to fasten this. So I'll be back in a future video with this little solar panel fastened on the roof. I hope. So that's all for this time. Big thanks for watching on my Nissan Evalia 100% electric car. My little camper. So, thanks for watching and welcome back.